to my channel. I am Abdul Salam, assistant teacher, Rajshahi Collegiate School, Rajshahi, Bangladesh. My dear viewers, today I have come here in Dhaka, especially Fantasy Kingdom, to pass some glorious moment with my students. Though they were too much busy and they enjoyed all the things here, and from the very beginning to the end, they were jovial and they passed their time with excited mood. And I have come here with them and only to be their guide, not more than that. They invited me to be associated with them and to accompany with them, and I have come here. When I entered into this huge complex, I was puzzled to see all the things here. Everything was arranged nicely, and at the back side of me there is the water pool. Oh wow, it is so much great and magnificent to look at. The children are swimming here and there, and they are enjoying their time so nicely. And at the front side of me there is the food corner. People from all walk of life come here, and when they feel they take their foods and they enjoy the water pools nicely. And at the front side of me there is the greatest charm for the people, and they are enjoying the waters, swimming, and they are playing in the water with the tube of the plastic tube and a rubber tube, and they are very happy. Now it is the evening time and people almost have gone away from here, so everything seems neat and clean. Everything seems very calm and quiet, and the people who came here, they have gone away, and now the place is very safe and sound, and I am enjoying the serene and calm atmosphere here. So it is really a magnificent moment for me, and I am enjoying my time here with all of my students. Though they are busy for different riding, I am here enjoying my time in a serene mode. I am very happy and I am very calm and quiet here, only to think about the nature. God has created all the things very nicely, and man has changed the things only to beautify, to help the people to enjoy the artistic beauty here. Allah has created the universe in a systematic way, but the rich people of our society, the rich people of our country has made everything in a different way, only to entertain the common people and the people of the upper class society. They come here, enjoy the real atmosphere, and they enjoy the wholehearted serene atmosphere here. And as people are always busy with the daily activities regularly, so when they come to the far away from their home, they want to see some different things. They want to see some extraordinary things, and Fantasy Park is one of them, which can offer all kind of beauty and charm to all kind of people. So my dear viewers, now you can easily understand that everything is nice and all the things are going on in a great way. So I am really happy. Thank you all. Please follow all of my videos from the beginning to the end, and try to share it and subscribe it, and tell your friends to subscribe it. Assalamu alaikum.